You've got your new cedar wood playhouse swing set and it's time to build it, so let's show you how we built ours from start to finish. Pick a spot in your backyard close to where the playhouse will end up being, lay out all the provided wood, hardware, and accessories. If you have a helper, it'll make the build process twice as fast, which we highly recommend, especially if you're building outside during a super hot and humid day like we were. All the pieces come pre-cut, pre-drilled, labeled, and rounded edges for a safe and stress-free build. First, we put together the playhouse walls and windows to build out its foundation. All the pieces were level and fit nicely together. I love the natural smell of cedar wood and appreciated how this high-quality wood selection would make our play set withstand the elements all season long. And compared to plastic, the kids will be able to touch this play set without us parents having to be worried about burns, which equals more playtime outside. Next, we put in the windowsills. The larger will be the spot for installing the play sink later on. Then we added corbels to hold the overhang shade material. We started to build out the roof, starting with the side peaks. They really made it so easy with how all the pieces came together. The white on ivory colors of the house really pops in the backyard. Next, we put in the tic-tac-toe game on the side of the house, put in all the side windows, the clock, the play sink, utensil holder, and the puppy door. Once all that was done, we worked on the main door, putting on durable hinges and a clasp to hold the door closed. Then we went back to the roof to put on the wood shingle panels. Again, everything was level and fit together nicely. Finally, it was time to build the swing set. Once all the pieces were put together, we were able to put the swing up against the playhouse and connect them together, attached the swing and adjusted the rope to our desired length, and stabilized everything with the provided ground rods. And there you have it, our completed playhouse and swing set. Really pleased with how it turned out and the overall ease of the building process. It didn't take long for the kids to see it was done and ready to play on. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.